Hi guys, I'm Afton and welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is going to be Guyanese Pinetart. Pinetart is a Guyanese pastry. It's flaky on the outside and it has a nice sweet jam filling in the inside. Alright, so today I'm going to show you guys step by step how to make this delicious Guyanese Pinetart. I did this video probably like a year ago, so I'm going to do it back today. Alright, and right now the kids are home from school because of the long. So this is a nice snack to make for the kids when they're at home, because trust me, the kids are just eating a lot of snacks when they're home. So I hope you guys enjoy watching this video and give my video a thumbs up. And also you can follow me on social media. My Instagram and my Facebook will be in the description box down below. The link will be there, alright? And if you guys would like to support or donate to my channel, you can. Just click the link also down below for my Cash App and my PayPal. And also guys, I want to ask you guys to please watch the ads, right? When you guys watch the ads, it's helping me out, alright? So let's get started. To make our pastry dough, we have some cold butter, cold shortening, ice cold water, some flour, and we have some yellow food coloring. This is optional, and we have a pinch of salt. So let's get started. First thing you're gonna do, you're gonna pour in your salt, and you're gonna pour in your yellow food coloring. This is gonna give the pastry a bright yellow color, and you're gonna mix this up together just like this. Mix it up real good. So when you finish mixing up your yellow food coloring and your salt, you're gonna pour in your butter. Guys, you gotta make sure that your butter is cold, alright? Put it in the fridge and let it get cold. And then you're gonna put in your shortening as well. You guys need to check the description box down below for all my measurements and ingredients, alright? I did this video already like a year ago, but I'm doing it slightly different this time. Alright, so you're gonna take your hands now and you're gonna mix up the butter and the shortening into the flour until it look like maybe like cornmeal or so. So guys, I finished mixing up my cold butter and my cold shortening into the flour. So you see how it's looking here, look like breadcrumbs or cornmeal. So what you're gonna do now, you're gonna take your cold ice water. Guys, you have to use ice water, okay? You have to use ice water to get your dough nice and flaky. All right, so you're gonna keep pouring water and you're gonna form a dough just like this. Just keep on pouring your water and you're gonna form your dough. You see the yellow food coloring? Nice yellow color. Alright, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna try to form a ball. You can make one big ball, or you could do two small balls. Anyone you can do, guys. I'm gonna take it in two. Alright, I'm gonna do it in two, and it's gonna be just like this. See? And I'm gonna put it in onto a plastic wrap. So let me finish. This is one ball dough here, and then I'll show you guys the next step. So guys, I just lay my plastic wrap here. So what I'm gonna do now, this is one of the dough, so I'm gonna cover it just like this, and then I'm gonna tear the plastic, and I'm gonna put this into the fridge. So these are the two dough here. So I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator for about half an hour to 45 minutes. So our dough is in the fridge. So now we're gonna make our pineapple filling. So these are the ingredients for the pineapple filling. I have a pine I chopped it up. I have some brown sugar, cinnamon stick, and some essence. So what you're gonna do to get the pineapple to a little smoother, I'm gonna blend it up in the food processor. So I'll show you guys that. So I'm gonna put the pine in the food processor now, and I'm gonna let it blend up. So the pine finished blending up. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm going to put it into a bowl. Put it into a bowl and okay guys, so as you can see, I finished blending up my crushed pineapple. So I just put on a pot there. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna pour the blended pineapple into the pot. Then you're gonna pour in a little bit of essence, optional. And then you're gonna pour in some brown sugar. You can either use brown or white. And you're gonna put 2 pieces of cinnamon stick. And then you're gonna stir everything together. Mix all the sugar into the pineapple, the blended pineapple, and you're gonna cook this for about 20 minutes. All right, you're gonna keep turning it because you don't want it to burn. All right, after 10 minutes I'll come back and show you guys how it's looking. All right, so we'll be back. Okay, so it has been 10 minutes and it got a little bit brown, so I'm gonna let this boil for another 10 minutes. So guys, it has been 20 minutes now since my pineapple has been boiling. So I'm gonna take off my stove and I'm gonna let it cool. So guys, I just took my dough out of the fridge. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to spread some flour onto the countertop here. I'm going to break this in half here. I'm going to take the other half and I'm going to put it back into the plastic wrap and put it back in the fridge. So we're going to deal with this here. We're going to press it down. Press, press, press. Now you're going to take some flour and you're going to roll it on your rolling pin like this. After you done put the flour on the rolling pin, you're going to roll out your dough just like this. You're going to turn it over. You're going to roll it out again. Just like this. After you finish rolling it out, I'm going to take this here to make some circles. So I'm going to get 4 pine tart with this one here. Go back here again. Yeah. So we're going to do now, you're going to pull them apart. You're going to pull the edges, pull off all the scraps. What we're going to do now, I'm going to show you how to fold your pine tart. So we're going to do each of the circle here, you're going to take your rolling pin and you're just going to stretch it out a little bit more, just like this. That's good, Matt. So we're going to do now, this is my pineapple that I've been boiling. So you're gonna put some pineapple on the side of it, and you're gonna spread it out just like this. Just gonna spread it out. Don't spread it out till to the ends, right? Because you have to put your egg wash at the end. This is my egg wash here, so I'm gonna take a brush and I'm going to put my egg wash all the way around, just like this. And to get the Pinetart shape, now what you're gonna do, you're gonna turn it just like this, and you're gonna fold it over, and then you're gonna bring this over. See how simple it is? Simple and easy. And then you're gonna put it on your pan. This is my baking pan here, so I'm gonna place them in the baking pan just like this. So simple. I'll show you guys another one. So guys, I'm doing another one, so I'm just gonna show you guys again how I'm rolling it out. And you can take your pizza cutter and you can just shape it more like a circle if you want. You don't have to if you don't want to. It's going to give it a more cleaner edges. And then you're going to take your pine and you're just going to spread it all over. Alright? Spread it all over. Don't spread it too much at the ends, because remember you have to use your egg wash. So you're going to take your egg wash now and you're going to put it all over so you can seal in all this delicious pineapple sauce. So you're going to do now, you're going to fold it in just like this. Very simple. Take the other end, fold it in just like this, and then you're going to take this other end here and you're going to fold it in and press it in. Alright. Okay guys, so these are some of the Pinetart that I finished here. So you're going to take your egg yolk and you're going to brush it at the top just like this. You're going to brush all of them, and then you're going to put them in the oven to bake for about 15 to 18 minutes on 300 degrees. Put it in the oven to bake. So we'll be back with the end result. Okay guys, so the Pinetart is all finished now. So what you're going to do, you're going to take them off the pan and you're going to put them in a place cool down. So I'm going to taste my mini Pinetart on camera. You guys see? Pinetart is really good, guys. You really need to try this recipe, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. Give my video a thumbs up, and also please subscribe to my channel. Take care guys. See you in the next video. Bye.